welcome back to my channel, Jamhuriya's Homemade Food. Today I'm gonna make fried shrimp. It is one of the best and delicious appetizer, and I'm gonna serve it with cocktail sauce. For this recipe, I need 2 to 3 pounds of raw shrimp, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And for my egg batter, I need 2 eggs and 3 tablespoons of water. First, I'm gonna add all the spices to this 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And also I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix all the spices with flour very well. Put it aside. And now I'm preparing the egg batter. So I'm gonna add 2 eggs with 3 tablespoons of water. Mix it very well, and that's going to be my egg batter. In a deep frying pan, add cooking oil and let it get hot. I have all my ingredients in order: flour with spices, egg batter, and shrimp. The oil is nice and hot, so I'm gonna get 1 shrimp, one at a time. 1 shrimp, dip it in the egg batter, then wrap flour all around it, then put it in the pan and fry. The shrimp takes about 4 to 5 minutes till it's done. So when it's nice and golden, fried like this, then you take it out and put it on a cooling rack so it's nice and crunchy and all the oils drip down. While the shrimps are cooking, I'm gonna make my cocktail sauce. For cocktail sauce, I need 4 to 5 tablespoons of ketchup, half a teaspoon of horseradish, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon. So in a bowl, add about 4 tablespoons of ketchup, and then add half a teaspoon of horseradish, and squeeze about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon and mix everything very well. This is the cocktail sauce for the shrimp. The fried shrimps are ready. These fried shrimps look so crunchy, spicy, and I'm gonna plate it. I'm putting all the shrimps around the plate and put the cocktail sauce in the middle. The restaurant style fried shrimp appetizer is ready. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support.